Hello everyone. In this lecture, let's discuss about the port structure and pin layout of PIC16 of 877A. Pin 1 is MCLR pin, which is the reset pin of the microcontroller. Pin 11 and pin 32 are VDD, through which we must provide a power supply from 3.3 to 5.5 volts. Pin 12 and pin 31 are VSS, which is the ground pins. Pin 13 and 14 are used to supply clock signal to the microcontroller through external crystal oscillator. Regarding the port structure, we have 5 different ports in PIC16 of 877A. First port is port A, which has 6 pins totally, starting RA0 from pin 2 to RA5, that is pin 7. Second port is port B, which has 8 pins RB0 to RB7. The pin number starting from pin 33 to pin 40. Third port is port C, which has 8 pins RC0 to RC7. Pin number starting from pin 15 to pin 18 and then from pin 23 to pin 26. Fourth port is port D, which also has 8 pins starting from RD0 to RD7. The pin number starting from pin 19 to pin 22 and then from pin 27 to pin 30. The last port is port E, which has only 3 pins RE0, RE1 and RE2. The pin numbers are 8, 9 and 10. Now I hope that you are familiar with the pin layout and port structure of PIC16 of 877A. We will see in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.